With the increasing popularity of overlanding Jeeps in the market, we get asked day to day, how much weight can I add onto my springs? In today's video, we're going to talk about spring rates and why Clayton Off Road designs them perfectly for your Jeep. Clayton Off Road springs are designed with a slightly higher spring rate in order to achieve what we consider a more optimal ride quality. The Clayton Off Road springs are great at handling heavy accessories, and they have already taken into consideration the weight of heavy steel bumpers, winches, as well as a full-size spare tire. What this means is that you don't need to add any spacers into the front of the suspension. It is going to ride perfectly even after you add on all those heavy accessories. For the overlanding crowd, there is an optional set of HD springs available for the JL and the JT to help hold all that additional weight. You can go to our related items tab and select those springs for your vehicle. Clayton Off Road lift kits are designed to eliminate about half of the factory rake. This leaves just enough rake in the rear so you don't have to worry too much when you load it up with passengers and your full set of gear. If you have any more questions about Clayton Off Road coil springs, be sure to give us a call or reach out.